Hi ka-adulting! May gusto akong i-share sa inyo ngayon. Yung something real, raw, and unfiltered. I had this moment, a very human moment. May isang tao kasi akong kinainisan kanina. Gusto ko siyang kausapin, gusto ko siyang i-confront. Pero alam mo yung pakiramdam na kahit gusto mo, parang nagdalawang isip ka na rin. Or parang ayaw mo na rin kasi ang hirap makipag-communicate sa taong alam mong hindi rin naman magiging accountable sa kanilang mga actions. Kaya parang hindi na rin worth it. And habang nasa biyahe ako pa uwi, I found myself praying, Lord, ano bang gusto mong matutunan ko dito ngayon? Then it hit me, one of the hardest lesson in adulting is it's okay to not be okay. It's okay to feel frustrated, to feel hurt, and even feel lost sometimes. But in that moment, God also reminded me that all the glory, honor, and credit belongs to Him alone. Temptation lang pala yan, yung gusto natin tayo yung makita, yung mabigyan ng credit. Hindi natin deserve ang kahit na pinakamaliit na credit para lang yun kay Lord. At kung ipipilit man natin or ipipilit man ng isang tao na mapunta sa kanya ang credit, yun na yung reward niya. Yung na-feel niya yung credit dito sa lupa. Wala na siyang reward sa langit. So I realized, hindi ko kailangan sayangin yung energy ko sa taong ganun. Someone who plays the victim role but doesn't own up their own part. I don't have to fight for recognition or justice now. Yun yung isang magandang na-realize ko today. Hindi ko na to dapat ipaglaban. Instead, I choose to move on, to grow to a better person, to surrender everything to God. The pain, the questions, the frustrations, and trust Him. He sees everything. This time, I will trust the process again. No, I will trust God on His process again. And I will surrender the pain. And I will give glory to God because I experienced that. And I learned something, adulting realization today.